All right, in solving this, let's first of all look for the LCM of the denominators 5, 4 and 5, and the LCM is 20. All right, now once we have gotten the LCM, we are going to multiply each of them with the LCM. That means we are multiplying this by 20 and multiplying this by 20. So we are going to have 20 times 3x plus 3 all over 4 equals to 20 times 2x all over 5. Alright, now we are going to use 20 to cancel 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 4. So we now have 5x plus 3 equals to 4 times 2x. We are going to have 8x. Alright, so let's open up this by multiplying everything here by 5. So we are going to have 5 times x will give us 5x. 5 times 3 will give us 15. 15 equals to 8x. Now, we are going to move 5x to this side. Alright, so for us to be able to move it to this side, we are going to subtract 5x from both sides. Why are we subtracting it? Because this 5x is positive. Assuming we are having negative 5x here, we are going to add 5x to both sides. Alright, but since it is positive, we are subtracting 5x from both sides, so that once we subtract 5x from this side, we are going to get 0, thereby moving the 5x to this side. Alright, so we are going to say subtract 5x from both sides. So we're going to have 5x minus 5x plus 15 equals to 8x minus 5x. 5x cancel 5x, that is 0. So we are now left with 15 equals to, minusing this, we have 3x. Alright, now we are not looking for this. What we're looking for is x. Alright, so we are going to cancel out this number attached to x for us to be able to find the value of our x. And for us to cancel it, we are dividing both sides with this number. Alright, so say divide both sides by 3, where we are going to have 15 over 3 equals to 3x over 3. 3 cancel here 1, 3 cancel here 1. 3 cancel here 1, 3 cancel here 5. So now 5 equals to x. Therefore, our x is equals to 5. Now, let's check for our answer. Alright, to know if actually the value of our x is 5. And how do we know that? By substituting for x as 5 in these two equations. Alright, after substituting them, and we find out that what we have at our right hand side is equals to what we have at our left hand side. That means the value of our x is right, that's 5. So let's check to know if we are actually right. So we have x here. X will now become 5. 5 plus 3 all over 4 equals to, yeah, we are multiplying 5 by 2 because x is 5. Alright, so when we multiply it, we have 10 over 5. Adding these two, that is 8 over 4 equals to 10 over 5. Now, 5 can cancel 10. Likewise, 8 can cancel 4. 8, 4 here 1, 4 here 2, 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So we now have 2 equals to 2. You have seen that what we have at our left hand side is equals to what we have at our right hand side. That means the value of our x is 5. Assuming we finish solving it and we find out that what we have at our left hand side is not equals to what we have at our right hand side, we are going to go back from here to know where you made the mistake and find the actual value of your x.